5-video tutorial, American Greetings, Reversible Wrapping Paper, to make gift for best friends.
American Greetings Reversible Wrapping Paper White with Purple Trellis Pattern. Surprise and delight your friends and loved ones with a beautiful gift presentation from American Greetings. This high-quality wrapping paper is perfect for wrapping gifts, packages, and more. American Greetings, the creator and manufacturer of innovative social expression, offers an extensive selection of gift wrapping paper, gift bags and assorted solid color and pattern tissue paper. We invite you to explore our entire gift packaging collection and start spreading happiness, laughter, and love today. Let's start to wrap gift. Material you need to do it now. 1 roll of reversible wrapping paper. Measures 2.5 feet by 12 feet, 30 square feet total. Reversible wrapping paper features a bold purple hue on one side and a bright purple trellis pattern on a white background on the other side. Watch the video tutorial for American Greetings Reversible Wrapping Paper, white with purple trellis pattern. Like, comment and subscribe.
Please subscribe, please like. Thank you for watching.